Please insert your credit card in the reader below. Please select your wash packet. Please take your receipt.
No receipt.
The wash is imminent. Please enter wash now.
Looks like it's a Laserwash 360 Plus. Haven't filmed one of these before. Here's the card to put up later. Undercarriage. There it goes. Yep, Laserwash 360 Plus. And this one has onboard dryers. Stop. Yep, Laserwash 360 Plus. Haven't.
Don't go down there.
Oh, sorry.
Yeah, I'll be looking for it in the store going for it.
I was doing a double pass on the front. Well, that's a pretty thick coating of pre-soak to begin with.
So the bull.
Oh, it's doing another pass already. Are you wanting to connect your phone? Oh. Hope it's not as quick as the one in Tyler, Texas. The Tyler Laserwash.
Well, it has a whole list of things it goes through, so
Yeah.
surely it'll.
Oh, high pressure wash.
Walmart.
Oh, wow. Oh yeah, and this is one of those machines that turns a corner and keeps going at the same time. Oh, triple foam. Hopefully.
Head west toward Wall Street.
Double color. Watery foam, apparently. Sorry. Oh, doing a rinse.
Now you get a double pass.
Yeah,
Something.
it's a rinse.
It was saying double passes on a lot of things.
It was a rinse, apparently. Ooh. Lava wax.
Where's the sign that you're reading on this?
On the right. Now we're.
Give us lava ones right now.
It did give us lava wax.
Then why would it give us lava ones right now?
I don't know, honestly.
Washing.
Clear coat protected.
Washing. Surface protected.
Oh, surface protected, not clear coat protected.
Same thing.
Well, it seems to be performing a lot better than the one in Tyler, Texas, though. Still got a lot of soap, though.
Is that on the outside or the inside?
Outside.
No, on the window.
I don't know.
I guess it's on the outside.
Surface protectant again. Radar trends. Oh. That's the spot-free rents. Oh, flash dry. That's the flash dry cycle now. Oh wow, that's a little bit too quick.
Yeah, it was
Wow.
quite a quick pass. It wasn't worth the $14.
Yeah, so it's a mixed bag at best. Anyway, thanks for watching. This is the seventh time I filmed the car wash in Texas in a long time. Thank you for watching and subscribing.